we got Samsung J6 Plus black screen. The customer told us the phone is working, they can hear the voices, but there is no screen or anything. I'm going to put the charger on to see if I can hear a voice. I hear the voice, but there is no sign on the screen. There is another thing I'm going to do is to press the volume down with the power button to force the device to restart. This method let the device go in downloading mode, and in downloading mode there is two options, is to volume up to continue download mode or to down to cancel the download mode. When the phone vibrates, you know that the phone is in downloading mode, then you can hit volume down. And if the phone doesn't turn on, then there is another problem with your device. So now I'm going to heat up the screen for 2 Celsius degree for 30 seconds, and I'm going then to push it with a suction cup. We don't know what could cause this problem. The phone was dropped to ground. Maybe the screen is damaged or broken, or any components on the board, or the screen itself is unplugged from the screen connector on the board. When we open the device, we can find out what causing this problem. Our important job is to open the device without damaging the screen if it's still working. We don't need to do any damage. As I told you, we don't know if the screen is working or not, so careful is very important. We don't need to fix something, then we fix something else. We just need to fix one thing. I'm almost removed the screen. There is some glue. I heat it up so the glue can be soft, and then I can remove it easily. As I see, I don't want to do any harm to the screen. I'm working with patience. If the screen needs some more heat, you can heat it up no more than 2 Celsius degree. The screen is out. Remove this shield, this plastic shield. Oh, the screen just loose. Maybe the screen was the issue. Let's put the screen down and then test. The device may be turned on, so the power button don't work, so we are going to press again the volume down with the power button, and when the phone vibrates we can just press volume down to cancel without any seeing. Okay, the screen is working. Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus. Let's wait to see if the screen is working without any damage. So now we can judge that the problem was caused by the screen flex cable removed from the connector when the device just hit the ground. I don't know the pattern, so let's try the emergency. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, all seems good. Now I'm going just to assemble the screen. I'm going to remove the old adhesive, then I'm going to put a new adhesive. It's important to clean the border very well, so we can then attach the screen in position and will then looks perfectly. Don't put too much glue on the frame. No need too much glue. It's unnecessary. Just a little all over the frame. put the screen in and then put again the shield. I'm going to put the sponge to press more the flex cable. Maybe this was the issue, I don't know why, but I just put a sponge to keep or do much more force to the flex cable to be stuck in. Now just put the screen on position and press it down and wait for the adhesive to be good, and then that's it. That was for today. If you have any questions, just write it down in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to support the channel by like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video.